Kaduna State is a state in northern Nigeria. The state capital is its namesake, the city of Kaduna, the eighth largest city in the country as of 2006. Created in 1967 as North Central State, which also encompassed the modern Katsina State, Kaduna State achieved its current borders in 1987. The fourth largest and third most populous state in the country, Kaduna State is nicknamed the Center of Learning, owing to the presence of numerous educational institutions of note within the state such as Ahmadu Bello University. Modern Kaduna State is home to the sites of some of Africa's oldest civilizations, including the Nok civilization that prospered from c. 1500 BC to c. 500 AD. In the 9th century, geographer and historian Yakubi documented the existence of the Hausa kingdoms, which existed until the region was incorporated into the Sokoto Caliphate in the early 1800s. Following the Fulani War, during the colonial era, the city of Kaduna was made the capital of northern Nigeria Protectorate by British leadership. The name Kaduna is believed to be a corruption of the Hausa word Kada, which means crocodile. The Kaduna River previously hosted a large crocodile population. The state economy is reliant on agriculture, especially cotton and groundnut production. In the modern era, Kaduna State has been the site of violent ethnic and religious conflict, with the 2002 Miss World riots in the state capital over purported blasphemy leading to around 250 deaths and the loss of homes for around 30,000. The word Kaduna is said to be a corruption of the Hausa language word Kada for crocodile and the plural is Kaduna for crocodiles, as there were previously many crocodiles in the river of Kaduna. Another version of the etymology of the name is a narrative linked to the Baghi word, name Odna, for river Kaduna. In the coat of arm of the state, there is a symbol of crocodile, and majority of emblem related to the state uses crocodile as a symbol. The state football club Kaduna United FC used the crocodiles as a nickname. It is indicative that the name Kaduna was taken up by Lord Frederick Lugard and his colonial colleagues when they moved the capital of the then northern region from Zungeru to Kaduna city in 1916. This move of the colonial office to Kaduna city started in 1912-1918 20ths with the initial effort having been made in 1902 from Jebba to Zungeru. At the start of British colonial rule in northern Nigeria, the people groups who live in the area became Northern Nigerians, a construct which continues even today. By 1967 these people groups again were carved into North Central State. This was the case until 1975 that Kaduna State was formally created by the then military leader Gen. Murtala Muhammad, with all distinct identities amalgamated into one state without a referendum. The state hence is the successor of the old northern region of Nigeria, which had its capital at Kaduna, which is now the state capital to about 6.3 million people. In 1967, the old northern region was divided into 6 states in the north, leaving Kaduna as the capital of North Central State, whose name was changed to Kaduna State in 1976. Meanwhile, Kaduna State was further divided in 1987, creating Katsina State. Under the governance of Kaduna are the ancient cities of Zaria, Kafanchan, and Nok, the area where Africa's earliest civilization is recorded to have been excavated. The most intriguing aspect of this area is that the colonial construction and its post-colonial successor called Nigeria hardly documented the history or the method of how Kaduna State's people groups encompassed in these constructs define and identify themselves as such. The people groups who populate the area have lived in near oblivion or obscurity, as they often are thought of as Hausa people. In 2019, Kaduna State celebrated its 100-year anniversary, making it one of the oldest states in Nigeria. Zaza is said to have been founded in 1536 and later was renamed after the prominent Queen Zaria, known as Amina. The Hausa people of Zaria are said to be the old ancestral of the region. The state is located at the northern part of Nigeria's high plains. The vegetation cover is Sudan savanna type, characterized by scattered short trees, shrubs and grasses. The soil is mostly loamy to sandy. A substantial amount of clay is found also. Its northern half became Katsina State in 1987. The state is bordered by 7 states. The state was ranked number 4 by total area of land and number 3 by population. The Kaduna River, a tributary of River Niger, flows through the state. There are rocky stones in Zaria and Kogoro Hill. The current governor of Kaduna State is legally under the control of Kaduna State executives, Kaduna State House of Assembly and Kaduna State Judiciary. The current elected governor of the state is Nasir Ahmad El Rufi and his deputy is Hadiza Sabuwa Balarabe. In the state there are 14 ministries that operate with the state government to improve the